Stop for a second and ask yourself honestly. When you walk into a room, do people actually notice you? Do they remember you after you leave? Do they talk about you when you're not there? If the answer is no, this video is for you. And by the end, that answer might change. Most people think attractiveness is about looks. It's not. The most memorable person in the room usually isn't the best looking one. They're the one who does a few simple things differently every single day. Today, I'm going to show you 5 of them. And the last one is so simple that most people completely overlook it. Number 1, the way you walk. Do you walk with your head down, staring at your phone? Or do you walk with your shoulders back, head up, and a calm pace? People form first impressions in seconds, not from your face, from your presence. The person who walks with confidence feels memorable. The person who looks unsure often gets overlooked. So stand tall, look ahead, and own your space. Number 2, the way you listen. Most people listen just enough to reply. Very few people listen to understand. When someone is talking, put your phone away. Give them your full attention. Maintain eye contact. Don't interrupt. People are naturally drawn to those who make them feel heard. Real attention is rare, and rare things are valuable. Number 3, the way you make people feel. Think about someone you enjoy being around. Chances are they make you feel appreciated, respected, and understood. That's why you remember them. People may forget your words, but they rarely forget how you made them feel. Make others feel important. Notice them. Appreciate them. Be present with them. That's how you become unforgettable. Number 4, be comfortable being yourself. Some people spend all their energy trying to impress everyone. Others simply show up as they are. And somehow, those are the people everyone remembers. When you're comfortable with yourself, people feel it. You stop chasing approval. You stop forcing conversations. And that quiet confidence becomes magnetic. Number 5, the way you treat yourself. This is the most important one. If you don't value yourself, other people won't either. Respect your time. Protect your energy. Work on your goals. Take care of yourself physically and mentally. The way you treat yourself teaches people how to treat you, and someone who genuinely values themselves naturally earns respect from others. Remember this, being attractive isn't about having the perfect face, it's about having a presence people remember. Walk with confidence, listen deeply, make people feel valued, be comfortable in your own skin, and respect yourself enough to keep growing. Now, tell me in the comments, which one of these 5 habits are you starting today? And if this video made you think differently, make sure to like, subscribe, and stick around for more self-improvement content.